After dropping more than 90% from its all-time high, Rivian Automotive has finally woken up. In April 2023, Rivian bottomed and consolidated before the next move. For 2 months, the stock built a nice base between April and June to recharge. Finally, on July 3rd, the stock price broke out. So far, the shares have rallied for a record 9 consecutive days. Today's hot list includes the electric car maker Rivian Automotive and the owner of Facebook, Meta Platforms. This latest move has been mostly fueled by technicals, plus great news from the automaker. Rivian Automotive Inc. reported second quarter deliveries and production numbers that almost tripled from the same time last year. Rivian is up more than 80% from its low on April 26. How high can Rivian stock go? To be honest, I expect at least a 50% retracement on this move. This should double the stock price to $50. Once we get to $50, we will reevaluate where we go next. Which side are you? In the billionaire games between Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg did it again and started the war games by zucking another platform. Are you part of Team Elon and Twitter, or Team Zuckerberg with the new Threads app? Meta Platforms' new Threads app has more than 100 million users in less than a week. This is a record-breaking number at such a short amount of time. Compared to Twitter's 217 million daily active users at the end of 2021. Threads has a very successful start so far. What was then a record? It took ChatGPT 3 months to reach 100 million users. TikTok and Instagram took 9 months and 2 years respectively. Everscore analysts estimate Threads could generate $8 billion a year in revenues. Such a lofty number, considering Twitter generated $5.1 billion in 2021. If Threads can sustain these unbelievable user registrations, it would be the catalyst needed to pump Meta Platforms' stock price to all-time highs. I expect Meta shares to make all-time highs before the end of the year. If you would like to know, ultimately, how far Meta goes, like and subscribe.